Think your bike can't handle serious hauling? Think again. These 10 best bicycle cargo trailers are absolute beasts, built to carry heavy loads with ease. From rugged construction to insane capacity, these trailers turn your simple ride into a powerful transport machine. Ready to upgrade your cycling game? Let's dive in.
The Mule Bike Cargo Carrier is a rugged, high-capacity trailer built for heavy-duty hauling on both traditional bikes and e-bikes. Designed with 63 aircraft-grade aluminum and hardened steel, this trailer is tough enough to handle rough terrain and heavy loads, up to 100 pounds. Whether you're carrying camping gear, tools, or groceries, the Mule is made to take on your outdoor hauling needs with ease. Its universal tow bar fits rear axle diameters from 5mm to 12.7mm, making it compatible with a wide range of bikes. It also features a patented pull-tow hitch and dual-axle technology, allowing you to tow it behind a bike, pull it by hand, or even mount it to your vehicle hitch. For extra convenience, components like the fabric, roll bars, and handle are fully removable. With a built-in pull handle for comfortable manual use and a compact, modular design, the Mule is as practical as it is powerful. Next up, we have the Burley Nomad Cargo Rack, an essential accessory that significantly enhances the hauling capacity of the Nomad bicycle trailer. This aluminum-constructed rack mounts securely to the top of the trailer, creating additional storage space beyond the trailer's main compartment. Built with durability in mind, the rack features sturdy aluminum construction that balances strength with lightweight performance, ensuring it can handle heavy loads without adding unnecessary weight to your bicycle setup. The secure mounting system keeps the rack firmly attached to the trailer, even when navigating rough terrain or making sharp turns. The design allows cyclists to maximize their carrying potential by utilizing both the interior trailer space and the upper rack surface for larger or irregularly shaped items. This makes the Nomad system particularly valuable for touring cyclists, adventure riders, or anyone needing substantial cargo capacity. It's important to note that this product description refers specifically to the cargo rack accessory. The rack's aluminum construction ensures weather resistance and long-term durability, making it a reliable addition to the Burley Nomad trailer for those requiring serious hauling capabilities. The Burley Encore X is a multi-functional 2-in-1 bicycle trailer and stroller designed for both family adventures and practical cargo hauling. It features a full suspension system that absorbs bumps for passenger comfort, alongside a padded bench-style seat with an adjustable one-click 5-point harness for child safety. The trailer's versatility shines with its detachable seat, allowing easy conversion from kid transport to cargo hauler or pet carrier. Built with weather protection in mind, it includes a sunshade to shield passengers from UV rays and ensures year-round usability. Additional features include a convenient parking brake for stable loading, removable seat pads for easy cleaning, and compatibility with various activity kits for strolling, jogging, and skiing. The Encore X is e-bike friendly and incorporates eco-conscious post-consumer recycled fabrics in its construction. Perfect for active families seeking an all-season outdoor transportation solution, the Burley Encore X seamlessly transitions between carrying children and hauling heavy-duty cargo, depending on your needs. Introducing the Aosom Bike Cargo Trailer. Offers practical transportation capability for cyclists needing to move substantial loads. With an impressive 88-pound capacity, this trailer provides flexible hauling options through its removable front, back, and side walls that allow it to convert from enclosed carrier to flatbed-style transport for oversized items. Built for convenience, the trailer features a fold-down design and simple assembly that makes storage and transportation effortless when not in use. The 16-inch air-filled tires ensure a smooth ride across various surfaces, while integrated orange reflectors enhance visibility and safety during road use. Durability is a key feature with its sturdy steel frame construction and reinforced bottom, providing reliable performance even when fully loaded. The included seat post hitch attachment system makes connecting to virtually any bicycle straightforward and secure. The trailer's compact foldability allows it to collapse to a slim profile after wheel removal, making it easy to store in tight spaces. Whether for shopping trips, outdoor adventures, or everyday utility, Aosom Bike Cargo Trailer delivers practical hauling functionality for cyclists needing to transport items of various shapes and sizes. Next up, we have the Aosom Foldable Bike Cargo Trailer Wagon, a practical and easy-to-use solution for heavy-duty hauling on two wheels. Designed with convenience in mind, it features a versatile coupler that attaches to most bikes and a quick-release red button for effortless connection and disconnection. Whether you're running errands or heading out on a camping trip, this trailer helps you carry your load with ease. Equipped with large rubber-covered wheels and an easy-to-pull handle, the trailer ensures smooth movement and effortless towing. The spacious, removable cargo compartment offers ample room to organize and transport your groceries, gear, or outdoor supplies. Built for durability, the trailer's body is made of 600D Oxford cloth, with a protective coating shielding your cargo from light rain, UV rays, and dust. For added safety, it comes with reflectors in red, yellow, and white, helping you stay visible during night rides or low-light conditions. The removable top cover keeps your items dry and clean, while the foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use. Whether you're commuting or adventuring, the Aosom Bike Cargo Trailer is a rugged and reliable partner for all your transport needs. The Burley Flatbed Bicycle Trailer provides exceptional utility for cyclists needing to transport substantial loads of up to 100 pounds. Its thoughtfully engineered design features a balanced weight distribution that minimizes torque on the bicycle, while the stable two-wheel chassis ensures reliable tracking and stability during transport. The trailer's standout feature is its open platform design, with no enclosure on the front, back, or top, creating a versatile hauling surface that accommodates items of virtually any shape or size, from coolers and camping gear to bulky items like firewood. Constructed with a lightweight yet durable aluminum frame, the flatbed combines strength with manageable weight. Its 16-inch spoked alloy wheels with push-button release make for smooth rolling and easy maintenance. The trailer connects to bicycles via the included standard forged hitch, featuring a flex connector system that allows the bike to lay flat while the trailer remains upright. Convenience extends to storage and transport as well. The trailer quickly disassembles and folds flat when not in use, requiring minimal space. For cyclists seeking to expand their bicycle's hauling capacity while maintaining maneuverability, the Burley Flatbed offers a practical solution for transforming an ordinary bike into a capable cargo-carrying vehicle. Next up, we have the Quietkat Cargo Trailer, a rugged, heavy-duty solution for transporting large loads on outdoor adventures. Designed for hunters, anglers, and campers, it offers 24 inches of storage space, accommodating bulky gear like coolers, bows, camping equipment, and even firewood. Its narrow, single-wheel design matches the width of Quietkat bikes, ensuring smooth navigation through tight trails and rough terrain without the instability of dual-wheel trailers. Compatible with threaded and through-axle bikes, the trailer easily attaches via a quick-release system on the rear axle. Quietkat bikes come pre-fitted for installation. The rear suspension enhances off-road performance, absorbing shocks for a smoother ride when hauling game meat or supplies. Built for durability, this trailer simplifies packing in gear and packing out game, making it an essential companion for backcountry excursions. Its lightweight yet sturdy construction ensures reliability, whether on hunting trips or camping adventures. In just seconds, the Quietkat Cargo Trailer transforms your e-bike into a powerful hauling machine, blending portability with heavy-duty performance. The bicycle cargo trailer for heavy-duty tasks is a practical and reliable solution for everyday errands and short-distance hauling. With an 88-pound weight capacity, it's ideal for cyclists who frequently carry heavy loads but want a cost-effective, fuel-free alternative to a vehicle. Whether you're transporting groceries, gear, or small furniture, this trailer has you covered. Made from high-grade steel with a durable plastic base, the trailer offers great structural support. Its 16-inch air-filled tires with quality rims ensure a smooth, stable ride, and the 1.5M safety flag boosts visibility for safer travel. An added bonus is the built-in suspension system, which reduces bounce and vibration, keeping your cargo secure and minimizing wear on you and your bike. The trailer connects and disconnects from most adult bikes in seconds, thanks to its quick attach coupler, though it's not compatible with through-axle bikes. A folding frame and quick-release wheels make it easy to store and transport when not in use. It offers ample room for everyday loads, and a removable cover allows you to carry bulkier items, like coolers or furniture. Compact, versatile, and built for utility, this trailer makes heavy-duty bike hauling a breeze. Number 3, we have the Schwinn Rascal Bike Dog Trailer. Offers a safe and comfortable way to bring your canine companion along on cycling adventures. Designed specifically for pets, weighing up to 50 pounds, this specialized trailer prioritizes both safety and comfort with thoughtful features. The trailer's steel frame construction provides durability while maintaining portability through its unique folding design and quick-release wheels that allow for compact storage and easy transport. It's particularly convenient for fitting into car trunks when traveling with your pet. Safety features are comprehensive, including an adjustable internal leash that prevents pets from jumping out during rides, a rear doggy door for stress-free entry and exit, and an included safety flag for enhanced visibility to other road users. The trailer also features 16-inch aluminum rims with air-filled tires that can be inflated using standard bicycle pumps. Pet comfort is addressed through ample ventilation, an adjustable bug screen, and a removable, washable non-slip liner that keeps the riding surface clean and comfortable. Designed primarily for paved surfaces, the Schwinn Rascal transforms ordinary bike rides into enjoyable outings with your furry friend, combining utility with pet-specific amenities for a specialized cargo solution. Transforms ordinary bikes into powerful load carriers, perfect for errands, adventures, or family outings. Its wide two-wheel design offers superior stability while minimizing strain on your bicycle, allowing you to tow up to 100 pounds with ease. Engineered for convenience, this trailer features a collapsible frame and quick-release wheels that fold down for compact storage, ideal for travelers or those with limited space. The Schwinn Universal Coupler ensures simple, one-time installation that fits nearly any bike, eliminating complicated setup hassles. Ride quality remains smooth thanks to 16-inch air-filled tires with durable molded rims that absorb bumps effortlessly. Inside, integrated D-rings let you secure gear firmly, preventing shifts during transit. Whether hauling camping equipment, groceries, or sports gear, the trailer's rugged construction keeps content safe. Built for versatility, the Daytripper arrives partially assembled. Its balanced design reduces drag, while the low-torque system maintains natural pedaling efficiency. From weekend getaways to daily chores, the Schwinn Daytripper delivers reliable hauling power without compromising bike performance, a must-have for cyclists who need extra cargo space.
And there you have it, the ultimate cargo trailers that turn your bike into a heavy-duty hauling machine. Whether for work or adventure, these picks deliver power and reliability. Ready to roll smarter and carry more? Choose your favorite and hit the road like never before.